Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to add a printer to Orca Slicer. First, open Orca Slicer and head over to the Configuration menu. From there, select Add Printer to launch the setup wizard. You'll then choose your specific printer manufacturer and model from the comprehensive list provided. This initial step is crucial for ensuring Orca Slicer understands your machine's basic capabilities and characteristics, setting the foundation for successful three-dimensional printing. It's a straightforward process to get started. Next, you'll configure your printer's essential settings. Accurately specify your printer's build volume, for example, 250 by 210 by 210 millimeters. Define the nozzle diameter, commonly 0.4 millimeters, and the filament diameter, typically 1.75 millimeters. Don't forget to adjust bed leveling and G-code flavor settings to perfectly match your printer's unique requirements. These precise measurements are vital for accurate slicing and high-quality prints, ensuring your models come out exactly as intended. Now, let's set up your extruder and filament profiles. You'll need to create or select an existing extruder profile that precisely matches your hotend configuration. Then, establish distinct filament profiles for various materials such as PLA, PETC, or ABS, including their optimal temperature and flow rate settings. Remember to calibrate retraction settings carefully. This is key to preventing stringing and significantly improving your overall print quality. Proper profiles ensure consistent and reliable material extrusion for every project. Finally, save your newly configured printer profile within Orca Slicer. Once saved, you can load any three-dimensional model and slice it using your customized profile, generating the necessary G-code. The last step is to export this G-code to your printer, whether through an SD card, a USB connection, or a network transfer. You're now ready to start your first print with confidence, knowing your settings are perfectly optimized for your machine. Happy printing!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.